massage bar recipe here, which is close to a lip balm recipe, to be fair. I'll put the recipe up. I've got beeswax, cocoa butter, mango butter, all sorts. I'm going to add some avocado oil now that it's come out of the microwave heating up the waxes and that. I want to add some avocado and a little bit of jojoba. Then we're going to mix up some essential oils. Oops. Look at that, it sets the scene as it's getting cold. But then you rub it into your skin, it melts. How cool is that? Okay, so that's blending. I've got some sunflower oil in there too. Could put some glycerin in, but I don't think I'm going to. Rather not. Right, I'm going to mix some of these essential oils up. I've got ginger. I only want a touch of ginger because it's very strong. A touch of ginger. The benzoin. So benzoin, a little dribble, which is a vanilla-y type of oil. Then we go with spearmint. This is really good for those achy muscles. Ylang ylang. I do love my ylang ylang. Oh, quite a bit of ylang ylang. And then in bergamot as a little citrusy punch. Okay, and then we'll have a quick sniff test. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Perfect for a massage bar. Into the oils. I'm gonna scoop it with my spatula. I don't want to leave any behind. How cool is this? I'm making this with a certain someone in mind who I know works hard and gets achy and needs a massage from time to time. Oh, splattering everywhere. Let's pour. Get down, goatie. Oops, oh gosh. That's a really good balm. That'll be great through the winter months, you know, on any dry skin at all. It doesn't just need to be a massage bar, it can be a healing bar as well. Beautiful. Okay, thanks for joining me, guys. That's my massage balls. Much love, previous folks. See you again soon. Bye.